Alright, in this video you are going to learn how to solve equations that have fractions in them. So oftentimes these look really scary, and we're going to break it down so it's not quite so scary. So let's start off with our equation. So say we have the equation 3 over 4 plus x over 2 equals 1/3. So the idea here, before you start manipulating, before you try to do anything else, let's get rid of these fractions. So this is really easy to do. All you need to do is find a common multiple of these four numbers. So you want to find the lowest common multiple. So the idea here is if we took 4 and we multiplied it, so 4, say, times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, and so on. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. Now let's look at 2. So 2 times 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 6, 8, and so on and so forth. And 3, we do the same thing. 3 times 2 is 6, this is 9, and this is 12. Well, what you're going to notice is that the first number we get to is going to actually be 12. Now, we don't have it on the 2 because I ran out of space here, but you can see that 6, 8, 10, 12. So you would also have the multiple of 12. And you can think about it, 2 times 6 equals 12. So 12 is the number that we want to multiply by all three of these terms. Now what that is going to do is it's going to allow us to clear these fractions, and you're going to see why. Also keep in mind, if we multiply 12 by each term, we're not changing the value of the equation because everything is staying the same because we're doing it to both sides of the equation. Alright, so let's see this in action. So we are going to multiply 12 over 1 times 3/4, and we're going to multiply 12 over 1 times x over 2, and that equals 12 over 1 times 1 over 3. Now remember, when you multiply two fractions, you just multiply across, right? So 12 times 3 is 36. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 12x over 2 equals 12 over 3. Now we need to simplify. 36 divided by 4, that is 9, plus 12 divided by 2, that is 6, and we still have our x, and that equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So just to keep that line so you know what we're doing here. Now we just have a two-step equation. So we subtract 9 from both sides. That gives us 6x, because 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 9 is -5. And this is going to end in a fraction, which is okay. Doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. We still have to divide both sides by 6. 6 over 6 is 1, so we have x equals -5 over 6. And that is your correct answer. So notice, all you do again is find the common multiple. What is the number that you can divide by all three of these numbers? That's what you're going to multiply each term by, and that'll clear out the fractions, and you're left with just a two-step equation. So how about you try this now? So we have problems 1 and 2. I want you to clear the fractions and then solve for x. Good luck.